Today, I'm going to make this car showcasing animation in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on the video. Select Landscape Video. Import your car's picture in all colors. I'm using images from the image library and taking 4 images with different colors. Make sure all the image sizes are the same and place them side by side. Select all and group them. Now add a page. Change the background color to a gradient. Add your company logo. I'm using a demo logo. Add a profile icon and a bell icon with white color. Place them on the top right side. Add a text. Font will be Benate. Color will be white. Write a menu name. Duplicate the text and write the other menu. Duplicate this text. Write your car name and model. Duplicate this text and write the other details. Add 2 arrow buttons. Add a circle shape. Duplicate it. Change the color to the car color. Again, duplicate this shape. Change the color to white. Change the white circle layer position under all the circle shapes. Duplicate this text. Write the car model. Change the font to HK Modular. Now go to the first page and copy the cars. Paste it to this page. Make the red car size bigger to fit the position. Duplicate this page. Drag the red car to the left and place the next car here. Change the background color to the car color. Change all the car details. Drag the white circle shape and place it under the green shape. Again, duplicate the page and do the same thing. Change all the text shapes and elements. Color black. Now change the logo color to black or gray. Delete the first page. Click here and apply the match and move transition with the 0.7-second duration. Apply it to all pages. Page duration is 2 seconds and applies to all pages. Here is the final result. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.